What's up gang, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Okay guys, if you are new here guys, please subscribe guys. Subscribe, that's how you help me guys. Please man, please. Okay guys, once we hit to 2000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway guys. Okay guys, now I'm on right now I'm at M4JAM app, and I'm going to earn 50 rand. Just imagine 50 rand guys, as you can see, in a couple of seconds, or 1 minute rather. Okay, let's grab the job. Okay, yes I did. Okay, let me enter my location, Germiston. Come on now. Okay, set. Okay, please type in your first name in all capital letters. Okay, my surname too. Okay, now that you watch the video and more by completing your PLM vaccination task on the M4JAM platform by clicking the link in the SMS you will receive shortly. Okay, then press submit guys. Retry. Okay guys, now I'm going to submit now. Location found, submitting job, done. You can see guys. Okay, I submitted my task. Okay, as you can see guys, here I've submitted my task, and I'm waiting for them to approve it so that I can get my 50 rands. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye yo.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive, just you and I.